Technology is booming and it's going so fast. And we have to really be abreast of it, because one thing we do know, the business that you're in can never be replaced by artificial intelligence. There is no AI that can be a housing provider. There is no AI that can talk to somebody on the phone and welcome them into your home. So all the skills that you have right now, all the things that you're planning on doing with your real estate and lifting people up, those skills are going to not be replaceable. You are irreplaceable. But they're on drugs for mental health, and they're going to the VA hospital 2 or 3 times a week just for psychological support. But the problem is, how do people know who you are and where you're at? How do they find you? We're in a time right now in recovery housing. And when I talk about recovery housing, it's not just for people with substance use or addiction. We are housing vets who have never used a drug in their life. You are irreplaceable.